Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create folders on your workspace in Murf AI. Now let's begin. On any browser on your desktop device or your mobile device, simply search for murf.ai. If you have not signed up, you can sign up right now. But if you already have an account, you can log in. You can find those buttons at the top right corner of the navigation bar. Simply click on Login. Now you can sign up using Google, Microsoft or Slack. It depends upon which platform you use to sign up for Murf.ai. Since I used Google, I'm simply gonna select it. As you can see, we have successfully logged in. Now on the home page, you can see something like Create Folder. You can create projects from here, create folders or invite teammates. For now, we're gonna focus on the Create Folder section. Simply click on this button that is Create Folder. Let us give the folder a name. We can make a private folder if we wish, but it is only available in the enterprise plan. You can also invite your friends and give access to this folder. Once everything is okay, simply click on Create. You can find that button on the bottom left of this tab next to Cancel. If something is wrong, you can simply hit on Cancel, and if everything is okay, click on Create. Now if we look at the left navbar, we will see our folder. Simply click on it. Our folder is empty. We can create new projects or share it. Well guys, that's it for the video. That is how you create a folder on your workspace in Murf.ai. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.